Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 23rd of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. We'll start off with New Zealand, where we saw the retail sales number come in at 0.7%. That was slightly better than the forecast, although these figures were quite expected and the market was fairly muted in its reaction to this figure. From Canada, we saw retail sales now increase for the second consecutive month in a row, coming in at 1.7%. That was higher than the forecast. Initial market reactions caused the US CAD to drop. However, by the end of the session, the CAD gave back what it had gained, with the US CAD finishing the session at 134.35. From the UK, the GBP continues to tumble, with the cable dropping through the 127 handle as CPI came in at 2.1%. This now interestingly takes the GBP USD pair to 9 consecutive red days. So for those statistical traders, that might be something that you want to have a look at. Alright, now time to have a look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day, the Euro CAD, is still on the cards. We didn't produce the setup for this morning. We broke a little bit lower, but if you go back and readjust your line, it is still possible and it could play out for us for tomorrow. So don't discard that one. It's still on the cards, but this morning what I have found is the GBP NZD. You can see here that this particular pair looks to be in uptrend. It's also on a nice support line which has been respected a number of times. We can see here once, twice, three, and now we are there again for a fourth time. So naturally what I'm looking for is I want to get some price action reversal to occur in that hot zone. The little candle you can see right here is this morning's candle, so we're only about 40 minutes fresh into that candle, so we need to wait for that one to finish. If it should end up confirming our price action pattern, well then it will be all systems go for tomorrow morning to be able to take advantage of that one. GBP NZD daily timescale is our chart of the day. Alright, what's coming up in the session which is about to kick off? We have at 5:15 this afternoon from Europe, we have the French Flash Services PMI number. Then 15 minutes later from Germany, we have the manufacturing and the services PMI number due out. So any Euro traders, look out for that. It's particularly the German one that can influence that pair quite a lot. So that's pretty much all that we have for the session which is about to kick off. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.